welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a useful technique and how to scrap emails from various websites, including Google and social media platforms. If you ever needed to gather email addresses for your business or personal use, this method can be quite handy. The first step is to open the Chrome Web Store. Once you're there, we'll need to download one extension that will help us with our email scrapping process. The extension we need is called Email Extractor. This powerful tool allows you to scrap emails from any website you visit using Google Chrome. It also has the ability to restore and previously scrapped emails and even provides an option to download them as an Excel file. To install the extension, simply click on Add to Chrome button and follow the prompts. Once it's installed, you'll notice a small icon on the top right of your browser. Whenever you visit a website, you can activate the Email Extractor by clicking on its icon. It will automatically scan the web page for any email addresses and display them for you. You can also enable auto search, allowing the extension to scrap emails automatically as you browse. If you found this video useful and would like to see more content on email scrapping, please let us know in the comments. Feel free to suggest any other topic you'd like us to explore. We appreciate your support. Thank you for watching and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.